Paperwork party.
All right, guys, so welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Samsung S21 21 Plus and the Ultra. As you can see, we have all three boxes here. Now with that, they did remove the charging brick, so you will not get the charging brick with the devices, but this is what the box looks like. And here it is, guys, the Samsung S21. Now this is the platinum gray. They do have it in other colors. I want to say it's platinum violet and platinum silver. Those are the other options. They have other phone color options, but I think you just have to buy it directly from Samsung and buy it outright. So that's the only way you can get the other colors besides those three. This one, I like the look of the screen better because it's almost like the S10e where they got rid of the round edges. So I'm not a big fan of the round edges because they seem to crack a lot. But here is the back. Let me go show you the camera. That's it. Let's move on to the next one. Next is the 21 Plus. Now this one has a couple more colors than the just standard 21. This one will come with the red and I think one more other color. But like I said, nothing too different. Camera's a little better. And we'll go into the specs later. But here's the phone, and then I'll show you guys what the back on the camera looks like. This is the violet purple, I want to say. So it has the gold camera there, okay? And then last we have the Ultra. So this one is pretty nice. It does feel really premium. Does have the curved edges on the side, so I'm not a fan of that. They did drop the price on this one to $11.99, so that's not too bad. If I'm correct, the 21 is $7.99 and then the 21 Plus is $9.99. So really nice. And here's the camera, guys. So really nice there. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'm out.
No limit to this shit. I'm like Master P on them. Fuck them DRs, little